All right, y'all. I'm getting back from SEMA, and I came to move that Squarebody Duhe, and that battery is fully dead. I've been waiting for this opportunity to use this jump pack. Let's go ahead and see, just so y'all don't think I'm lying. Nothing. It even dims this, look. Fully dead. Let's go hook that jump pack up and see if it'll pop off. All right, this is what's in this package, y'all. The YESPER Fab jump pack, the cable that goes to a cigarette lighter so that way you can charge your stuff if you have a cigarette to USB. The jumper alligators themselves, real heavy duty quality. They even got a boost feature. The charge cable, which is just USB-C, and the instructions. This is YESPER YJS 15-40. Let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see if we could pop this Duhe off. This is gonna be the perfect test for this thing, yeah? All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out the pack. Plug in the jumper cables. It can only go one way. All right, we fully charged. I'm gonna hook this thing up, yeah? Ground, positive is correct. Look, see how it's flashing? Correct. Let's see what we got here. Will this little bitty thing the size of a wallet jump this Duhe? I'm gonna hit that boost feature on it. All right, let's go ahead and hit it. The battery is so dead that the second I turn this thing off, the truck killed. But did you just see that? I wonder what happens when I don't press boost. All right, nothing happened, yeah. Scared me. Y'all, this little jump pack is crazy. I got a big old thing from Napa, a big box that can't even start none of the stuff in here with a dead battery. And this little thing the size of a dang wallet just cranked this thing. It even killed again. I guess, man, like, it's really taking some power to charge this thing. I'm gonna have to put it on a trickle charger, really get this battery up to snuff. Must have dropped a cell or something. It's been sitting for a while because I went to SEMA. I really ain't been driving it, just moving around the yard because I've been working on other stuff, but y'all know the deal. Y'all, and don't forget to click the link in the video description. You can get this thing right now for $79.99. Later, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching.